Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 natural alternatives to sure in English. Number 1. Of course. It is used to agree politely or show willingness. Example, can you help me? Of course. Number 2. Absolutely. It is used for strong agreement or enthusiasm. Example, do you like the idea? Absolutely. Number 3. Certainly. It's a polite, slightly formal way to say yes. Example, could you send it today? Certainly. Number 4. No problem. It's used informally to show something is easy or okay. Example, can you take care of this? No problem. Number 5. Definitely. It is used to show clear agreement. Example, are you coming tonight? Definitely. Number 6. Sounds good. It is used to agree with a plan or suggestion. Example, let's meet at 5. Sounds good. Number 7. Sure thing. It is a friendly, casual way to agree. Example, can you grab coffee? Sure thing. Number 8. Go ahead. It is used to give permission. Example, can I start now? Go ahead. Number 9. By all means. It's a polite way to say yes or give permission. Example, may I use your charger? By all means. Number 10. Anytime. It's a friendly way to say you're happy to help. Example, thanks for your help. Anytime. Great job today. Now you know 10 natural ways to say sure in English. Don't forget to practice these phrases in real sentences. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.